In this video, I'll show you how to send an email in Brevo, a simple and user-friendly tool for creating powerful email campaigns. First, open your browser and log into your Brevo account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, go to the Campaigns tab and click Create a Campaign. You can choose between a regular campaign or an A/B test to see which version performs best. Give your campaign a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Next, fill in your sender information. This includes your name and email address. This is what your recipients will see, so make it recognizable and trustworthy. Now it's time to customize your campaign. Double check your recipient list, craft an engaging subject line, and design the email to match your brand. Brevo offers great flexibility in design. You can use pre-made templates or create a unique email using the drag and drop editor, a simple text editor, or even upload custom HTML code. Add your logo, colors, and fonts to make your email instantly recognizable to your audience. Before sending, preview and test your email to make sure it looks perfect across all devices and email clients. Once satisfied, you can either send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time to maximize engagement. And that's it. With these steps, you can confidently create and send professional email campaigns in Brevo. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more email marketing tips.